This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Nissan Maxima. It has a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include a moonroof, dual power seats, cruise control, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a traction control system, rear curtain airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 14,000 miles on the odometer. This Nissan has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for shopping at LeBlanc Nissan, conveniently located in Gonzales between Baton Rouge and New Orleans at 14295 Airline Highway. Please contact our internet department at 877-225-9624 for special internet-only pricing. We want to be your Nissan dealer.